Greetings everyone, welcome to the channel, it's EddieSetGo. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to see future motorcycle content. So hey, what's up everybody, how are you doing? Are we all keeping safe and distancing? Yes, we all should be keeping safe and social distancing. Today's a bit of Moto news for you though, here we go. Bit of Moto news for you, which is quite cool actually. It's the Honda CBR600RR. Rumours are now starting to really stir and gain a bit of momentum. The Japanese motorcycle magazine Young Machine, which is renowned for unveiling and kind of doing a lot of cool concept designs of bikes that are due to come out, they've actually just covered their front cover of the current edition with a mock-up of the new CBR600RR, or what they think it's going to be. And yeah, I'm going to throw the pictures on the screen for you now. They look quite cool actually. Obviously very similar in design and look to the new Fireblade that they unveiled last year, the 1000RR. And yeah, this 600. Obviously Honda's got the CB650R, they've got the CBR650R. So whether this will have the same 650cc engine just tuned in a particular way, we don't know. But there certainly is a lot of traction in this rumour now, and there's really big crows outside. They keep crowing. I do apologise if they crow into the video. But yeah, Honda are due to announce this bike. Apparently, the unveilings is going to happen near the Sepang MotoGP, which is October, November time, if it happens, of course. But yeah, it's quite interesting really. CBR600RR, they stopped making them a few years ago, didn't they? I think 2016, 2015, I think they stopped making them. At the same time, Triumph pulled the Daytona. They stopped. There seemed to be a lack of demand for these kind of very focused middleweight sports bikes, and then we started seeing the rise of the nakeds, the street triples taking the center stage. So yeah, it's a bit bizarre that Honda are now everyone's kind of going full circle. Obviously Triumph unveiled their new Daytona, their limited edition Daytona, which is quite cool. We actually went with a couple of my buddies to the Triumph factory in Leicestershire a few months back, and we actually saw the Daytonas there all parked up. People have bought their new Daytonas, all carbon fibre, look really nice. But yeah, this is the Honda CBR600RR or 650RR, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be unveiled later this year. It's a Young Machine have plastered the concept design of this over the front cover. There's a few other designs as well, different colours coming out. I think everyone's kind of trying to make a best guess as to what this thing's going to look like. Obviously, I think it's going to look very similar to the Fireblade. And yeah, quite interesting really. It seems to go full circle. I mean, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, everyone seems to be pulling out these 125s, these 250cc's, these 400, these A2 compatible licensed sports bikes. So I guess people are going to want to upgrade eventually. People are going to want to step up to something a bit more meaty. So but yeah, I took a ride of the 650R, the Honda 650R, CBR650R last year, and I was quite surprised at how kind of focused that was. I thought it would be a bit more of an upright bike, but no, it's quite a focused machine. So they were going to make this new RR version even sharper, so that would be quite intriguing to go and see. But yeah, what do you think? Is this something that you're going to be interested in, that you're going to take out for a ride? Are you looking for a track focused road bike, if that's what you want to call it? So yeah, watch this space, really quite interesting. Obviously Triumph run the Moto 2 class in MotoGP, so Honda are now going to come out at the Sepang MotoGP and apparently do this big unveiling. So a bit of competition there for Triumph, maybe holding on to that Moto 2 class as the main supplier. We don't know. So yes, if this is something you're interested in, drop a comment below, let me know. In the meantime, wherever you are, stay safe. If you are allowed to go out and have a ride on your bike, then obviously ride safe as well. But here in the UK, we're all locked down still, so it wouldn't be wise to go out on the bike. But yeah, stay safe, keep social distancing. See you next time.